Today we are going to be making a hole-in-one, is what it's called. Your ingredients are bread, butter, and an egg. And I have removed part of the bread. I'm going to let it get a little crispy there. We actually toast the circle at this house. So you can kind of use that as a little gauge to see how brown it is, and it is not quite ready. So I usually give the bread a little head start. And then the magic, the egg. Look at those skills, one-handed guys, one-handed. Okay, I just flipped it. It's been about a minute on each side. I'll probably go a little bit longer. One trick you can do is take a toothpick and poke it and see if the yolk is still runny. And as you can see over here, the yolk is definitely solidified. So the matter is definitely changing. And there you go, a hole-in-one.